Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Johnson County in north central Texas, southeastern Parker County in north central Texas, Tarrant County in north central Texas, northeastern Hood County in north central Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Benbrook, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Hearst, Burleson, Cleburne, Weatherford, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, Crowley, and Forest Hill. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National